Hello, it's Sonia here with the Pretty Stitch. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I'm so happy to have you here. So today is Wednesday, and that means it's the stitch of the week. So for today's stitch, I'm going to be using my H hook or 5mm hook, and I am going to be using just plain worsted weight yarn number 4. You can certainly use whatever hook size you would like or yarn type. Again, I don't suggest fuzzy or furry yarn, but you can certainly use, chunkier yarn, thinner yarn, whatever you have on hand. Alright, so this stitch, I'm not exactly sure what to call it. It kind of looks like diamonds, so maybe we'll call it the diamond stitch. It's definitely more of like an airy stitch. So what I mean by that is it's not compacted together, so it's more ideal for shawls or maybe a lighter weight blanket, a lighter weight scarf, things like that. Alright, so to do this stitch, you are going to need to chain a multiple of 6 plus 2. So why don't we chain 20, because 6 times 3 is 18 and you add 2 and it's 20. Alright, so we've got 20 chains here. So to start this stitch, row 1 is going to be your setup row. So what you're going to do is you're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook. And now we are going to chain 6. So we have our 6 chains. So what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet in the second chain from our hook. We are going to work a half double crochet in the next chain, and you can work in your chain however you would like. Our next stitch in this chain is going to be a double crochet. Our next stitch is going to be a triple crochet. So yarn over twice and insert your hook in that next chain. And then our last chain here, we're going to work a double triple crochet. So how to work that stitch is you're going to yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And insert your hook into that chain. Pull up your loop. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And yarn over, pull through your final 2. So you just keep yarning over and pulling through 2 stitches until you've worked off all your loops. So you can see it's worked a nice gradual effect there. So what we're going to do next is we are going to skip 5 chains. So we're going back to the original chain here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to single crochet in the next chain. So this will be a great stitch pattern to actually get practice of all the basic stitches, because it pretty much plus a little bonus one there. Alright, so we're going to chain 6 again. And we're just going to repeat what we did here. So you're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook, half double crochet in the next. So it's just a progression of stitches, from shortest to tallest. So the next one after half double crochet is double crochet. And then we do triple crochet, yarn over twice. And then the double triple, we're going to yarn over 3 times and work in that last chain. And then you're going to continually yarn over and pull through 2 loops for your double triple until you've worked off all of your loops. And now we're going to skip our 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet in the next one. And we are going to chain 6 again and just repeat that. So it looks like kind of like pizza slices, kind of. Maybe I should call it the pizza slice stitch. All right, so we are going to single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next chain. So you're just working down that line of your chain, triple crochet, and the double triple 1, 2, and 3 loops around your hook, or yarn over 3 times around your hook, and then you just keep yarning over, pulling through 2 until you've worked all of those loops off. Alright, so now we're going to skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your very last chain you're just going to work a single crochet, and there we go. We have worked row 1 of our pizza slices. Or, you know, they kind of are like teeth, shark teeth, the shark tooth stitch, I don't know. Alright, so let's get ready to work row 2. So to begin row 2, you're going to chain 6 and turn your work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and returning our work. Okay, so to start row 2, you're going to single crochet on the other side of this chain where we had worked on our shark tooth there. So the other unused chain, you're just going to work a single crochet. And we're going to go back down the line here. So their next stitch is going to be a half double crochet. Our next stitch is a double crochet. Our next stitch is a triple crochet. And we're going to work a double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times and work in that last chain on the other side of the chain. So now we've created kind of like a square of diamond. So now we're going to go and single crochet on top of the next. So that unused chain on the other side, we're going to single crochet in that first one. And again, work the progression of stitches. So single crochet, next one is half double crochet, next one is double crochet, triple crochet, and double triple 1, 2, 3. 3 yarn overs there. Alright, so now we are going to single crochet in this next unused chain and continue down the line here. So half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, okay, so this is our last triangle or shark tooth, whatever you want to call it. So depending how long your swatch is, so when you get to the last one, you're going to repeat. So let's not look at this guy right here. You're going to repeat what we've been doing. Actually, this middle one, you're just going to repeat across until you get to the last one. And you're going to, you know, just what we did a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet. But we're going to finish up our row here, we're going to work a double triple crochet decrease stitch just to kind of fill in that gap there in your last stitch. So you can see here's the unused chain, and then this is our single crochet from row 1. So I do have a stitch of the week of double triple crochet, and I do go over the double triple crochet decrease or together stitch in that video as well, which I can link, but I'll show it to you right now. It's not difficult at all. So we've yarned over 3 times. We're going to insert our hook into that unused part of the chain, pull up our loop. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 until you just have 2 loops on your hook. So we have our 2 loops. You're going to yarn over 3 times again, and we're going to insert our hook into that last stitch, that single crochet, pull up our loop. So we have our 6 loops on our hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 until you have 3 loops. So there is our 3 loops, and we're going to yarn over and just pull through that final 3. So we have completed row 2 there. So now let's work row 3. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work. And we're just going to single crochet right in that same stitch, and we're going to chain 6. And we're going to work down our chain. In the second chain from our hook, work our single crochet. You're going to work your half double crochet, double crochet. Now we're at our triple crochet. And our double triple crochet, yarning over 3 times. So lots of yarn overs with this stitch pattern here. But I think it's a very easy one though. And it has a lot of nice variety to it, so hopefully you wouldn't get bored with it. Alright, so we've completed our next triangle. So you are going to skip these next 4 stitches, so you can just turn it over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to single crochet in that next one right there. And we're going to chain 6. And we'll just do that again. You're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook, half double crochet in the next one, double crochet in the next one, work our triple crochet, and our double triple in that next chain there. Okay, we're going to skip our 4 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in that next one, and chain 6. And single crochet in that next one, half double crochet. So we're working our double crochet in our next chain here, triple crochet. Excuse my kids making an awful lot of racket. They're playing with our dog. Alright, so we're going to work our double triple crochet. I'm not sure what's going on with that. It's Halloween. I think they're making like spooky noises. I don't know, to scare the dog maybe? I'm not sure. Alright, so we have worked down that chain. So you're going to skip the 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to single crochet on top of that chain 6 to finish up row 4 here. Or actually not row 4, row 3. I'm sorry, row 3. Getting my rows mixed up. Alright, so now we have our set of triangles there. So what you're going to do is you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your swatch, and then you're going to end on a row 2, because as you can see this is not completed here. So let me just end on a row 2 for you. So we are going to chain 6 and turn our work. Alright, so we've chained 6, and we're turning our work, and we are going to single crochet right in this first chain here, the other side there. And we're going to half double crochet in our next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Again, just working on that other side of the chain. Now we're going to work our triple crochet. And our double triple crochet, so yarn over 3 times. And we're going to single crochet right in that next unused, the other side of the chain. Half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet. So again, this is a great stitch pattern to get practice on all the basic stitches. We're going to double triple crochet. And we're going to work on our last little triangle here. So single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet. And after we work our triple crochet, then we work the double triple crochet decrease or together stitch. So yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into that last unused chain there, other side of the chain, however you want to look at it. And we leave the remaining 2 stitches on our hook, yarn over 3 times, and right in the single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop. So we have our 6 loops, so we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 until we have 3 loops on our hook. So there we go. So you would want to end on a row 2, but for the pattern repeat, you repeat rows 2 and 3, and then whenever your swatch is long enough, then you end on a row 2. So I hope you enjoyed this stitch of the week, and I thank you so much for watching.